How to track yamal 55 on champion receiver. You first select your remote menu key, select the installation, press OK, and you enter 0000 to open the installation. First select satellite list, select yamal 55, press OK to select it, and then press the menu to return the menu screen again, and then select the scan channel or search channel, press OK. Press the red button on your remote to add your TP or transponder. My transponder is 11008. Press OK, come down, and then you enter your symbol rate 08000, and then press the OK button again. The thing is vertical, the polarization is vertical, so I've already selected my vertical, and then press OK. Now I have my TP, which is 11008 vertical, 8000 symbol rate. To track the signal, easiest way, press the info to the LMB settings. So when you get to this position, to make it easier for you to track the signal, you press the installer mode, which is red on your remote button, and it will give you this screen. So now it's large on your screen, so it will be easy to track the signal. So when you have your signal on your screen, just select menu key again to return to the LMB setting, and then press the blue button on your remote to scan your channel. That's it. After you select menu key or exit to finish everything. Now you can enjoy your champion receiver right now. Thank you.